Good morning, students. Hope you are able to understand the new topic, that is ratio and proportion. So, continuing with that, today we'll do few more sums with connected with the ratio and proportion. As we have already done, the ratio means the comparison between numbers 2, 3, 4, and proportion means comparison between ratios. So today we'll do few more sums, like the first sum today is 2x plus 5y ratio 5x minus 7y is equal to 5 ratio 3. Find x ratio y. Solution. First of all, we'll write that is 2x plus 5y upon 5x minus 7y is equal to 5 by 3. As we see from the question, we don't left with any option, only to do the cross multiplication. When we'll do the cross multiplication, then it will be 3 into 2x plus 5y is equal to 5 into 5x minus 7. Open it. 6x plus 15y is equal to 25x minus 35y, or 25x minus 6x is equal to 15y plus 35. This will be 19x is equal to 50y, or x by y. Here we have to be careful, the y has come here and 50 will remain here, so x ratio y is 50 ratio, so that is our answer. Now second sum is of different kind. Second sum is, if 2x plus 5y ratio, it's the same. If a ratio b is 5 ratio 3, find 5a plus 8b ratio 6a minus 7. So solving this question, given is a by b is equal to 5 by 3. We have to find 5a plus 8b upon 6a minus 7b. We cannot write that a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. No, this is wrong, because they are in the lowest term. So what we'll do, dividing all by b. When a numerator and denominator and every number is divided by the same number, then the value does not change. So it will be 5 by a by b plus 8b by b upon 6a by b minus 7b by 5a by b. A by b is given to us. A by b is 5 by 3. 5 into 5 by 3. B is cancelled. 8. A cancel. 6 into 5 by 3 minus 7. 25 by 3 plus 8, and this you can cancel. 10 minus 7. So LCM is 3. 25 plus 24 divided by 3 by 1. 49 by 3 into 3. So 49 by 9 will be our answer. Right? So next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is x ratio y is equal to 2 ratio 5. Find 3x square minus 2xy plus 5y square ratio x square plus 7xy minus 2y square. So this is somehow related with the same sum, as if we can write x by y is equal to 2 by 5. What we have to find? We have to find the value of 3x square minus 2xy plus 5y square upon x square minus 7xy minus 2y square. If we divide it by xy, then, or we divide by, because this is x square, so dividing all by y square. When we'll divide all by y square, it will be 3x by y whole square minus 2xy by y square plus 5y square by y square upon x by y whole square minus 7xy by y square minus 2y square by y square. So now let's do it. 3 x by y is 2 by 5 whole square minus this y is cancelled with this will be 2x by y 2 by 5 plus this is cancelled 5, this is 2 by 5 whole square minus y is cancelled 7, 2 by 5, again this is cancelled minus 2. This is 3 into 4 by 25 minus 4 by 5 plus 5. 4 by 25 minus 14 by 5 minus 2. 12 by 25 minus 4 by 5 plus 5 upon 4 by 25, 14 by 5 minus 2. LCM 25, this will be 12 minus 20 plus 125. 25 LCM 4 minus 70 minus 50. This is cancelled. This is 105 and 12. 117 upon 116. Was plus. This was plus, this was plus, so this was plus, this was plus, this was plus, this was plus. So 24. So this can also be cancelled, can be reduced. 39 by 8 will be answered. See, question is not difficult at all. The only difficulty in this is that you have to be careful while doing the things. So now again question number 12, rather question number 4. Question number 4, and this is, sorry, question number 4. Question number 4 is, if 2x square minus 5y square ratio xy is equal to 1:3, find x ratio 5. Solution. So first of all we'll write it, 2x square minus 5y square upon xy is 1/3. So again we are not left with any option apart from what? Yes, cross multiplication. So cross multiplication. When we'll do the cross multiplication, it will be 6x square minus 15y square is equal to xy, or it will be 6x square minus xy minus 15y square is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of a quadratic equation, 90 10. So it will be 6x square minus 10xy plus 9xy minus 15y square is equal to 0. Common is 2x. This will be 3x minus 5y, plus common is 3y. It will be 3x minus 5y is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y and 3x minus 5y is equal to 0, or 2x plus 3y is equal to 0, or 3x minus 5y is equal to 0, 2x is equal to minus 3y. So the ratio here is x by y is equal to minus 3 by 2, which is not possible because ratio cannot be negative. From here 3x is equal to 5y, so x by y, x will remain here, y will come down, 5 by 3, so x ratio y is 5 ratio 3 is our final answer. So question number 5. Question number 5 is again some sort of a same sum, that is 5a minus 2b ratio 2b 2a plus b is equal to 6a minus b and ratio 8a minus b. Find a ratio b. Whilst we solve it, it will be 5a minus 2b upon 2a plus b is equal to 6a minus b upon 8a minus b. Again, to find the ratio a ratio b, we are not left with anything else apart from doing what? Cross multiplication. So when we do the cross multiplication, it will be 5a minus 2b into 8a minus b is equal to 6a minus b into 2a plus b. Open it. 40a square minus 5ab minus 16ab plus 2b square is equal to 8. 6 2s are 12. 12a square plus 6ab minus 2ab minus b square. So we will combine it now. This is 40 minus 12, 28a square. This is 11 and this is 4. Will come here. It will be minus 15ab plus b square is equal to 0. So now we have to find the number, 3. We have to find the number where we multiply, we get 84, and we plus and minus, we get 25. This will be 4, okay, 25. 84, 25 to 21 and 1, 28a square minus 21ab minus 4ab plus 3b square is equal to 0. So it will be 27a. It will be 4a minus 3b minus is b only, 4a minus 3b is equal to 0. 4a minus 3b and 7a minus b is equal to 0, it will be 4a minus 3b is equal to 0, or 7a minus b is equal to 0, 4a is equal to 3b. So a by b is equal to 3 by 4, a ratio b is 3 ratio 4. This is one answer. And the second answer will get from here, 7a minus b is equal to 0, 7a is equal to b, a by b is 1, so it's 7. Another answer is 1 ratio 7. So these two are the answer, and both the answers are right, and both the answers are possible answers for this. Thank you very much.